Hi, hello, welcome to Social Scoop. Today we have with us is an ex-DPS student who has been associated with our school since almost like 10 years, and it's not a small time, it's a very big time. It will definitely shape up her personality and character and in every possible way. So we are here to interview her and take down what she tells about the school. So please join us. Hi Shrinika, welcome to our show.
Thank you, ma'am.
So please tell about all the things that you have been through in Delhi Public School since
Okay.
you are a student here, ex-student here.
I've been in the school from first grade
Mm-hmm.
and I was in the school till 10th grade. So almost it was 10 years of long journey.
Yeah.
And it is a second home for me because every day I used to come to the school and we always come. And the experience of being in the school is also really great because the school has a lot of opportunities.
Mm-hmm.
Like we have a lot of opportunities. So
Mm.
yeah.
A lot of opportunities in the sense like can you name few or
Yes, we
how did it
had
go?
we had Feria, we have SLCs, we have MENs, we have
Mm-hmm.
IBs.
Mm-hmm.
So these episemion are basically about researches,
Mm-hmm.
which we had last year. I passed
Mm-hmm.
out last year, which we had last year,
Mm-hmm.
and it is about research. They'll give you a particular topic, and you talk about that topic in front of everybody. People will come, and they'll check. They will talk about. We have to talk about the research, and we have to make projects.
Mm.
And the IBMENs are about they'll give you a particular country and you have to defend on that. So we
So
are
you have done a hands-on project in the school
yes, yes,
itself.
yes. We have done a lot of projects.
Mm.
The epistemia was also a part, and when it comes to extracurricular activities, we have a lot of activities like swimming, volleyball, badminton, cricket,
Mm.
football, and a lot of things. And I've
Mm.
participated in badminton,
Mm.
and it is a really the coaches, the teachers are also really good. They
Mm.
appreciate you a lot. They give you a lot of motivation. So I
Mm.
feel like they'll give you a platform if you're really good in something. There are
Mm.
people who have went to
Mm.
like nationals also from our school for
Mm.
like skatings and all.
Mm. Okay, so what sport did you choose and did you try to make it to a
Yeah.
next level
Mm.
in the sports or?
I couldn't go to the next level because
Mm.
of studies and all, but I
Mm.
did play badminton. Like
Mm.
I got
Mm.
certificates and medals also in
Okay,
badminton, so it was nice.
okay. So what kind of support you used to get from the school? Like,
So, see, if you are not good in studies, for example, for anybody, we used
mm.
to have remedial classes also for everybody. Like,
Or how
so
did it
teachers
support?
were also very supportive.
Mm.
If you're weak at this particular subject, they would call you for an extra class.
Mm.
They would give their free periods for
Yeah.
us,
Oh.
and they would teach us the
Mm.
particular students, whoever are there, and they never used to scold also.
Mm.
If we weren't good enough, then the ma'am would call us and she would talk to us about, is
Mm.
there any specific problem because of which you're not able to score well?
Mm.
And she would ask all that, and
Mm.
then she would resolve the problems for
So
us.
there will be a one-on-one counseling session with the teacher, with the
Yes,
student,
yes,
and then the teacher will know what is going
yes,
wrong, and then she'll extend her help in.
yes, yes.
Okay.
They'll come up to us and they'll ask each and every time. They'll ask, do you have, like if the person is scoring less,
Mm.
they would come up to us and they would ask about
Uh-huh.
what is the problem you're facing.
Mm.
Is it the teaching or is it the time, like whatever
Mm.
it is,
Mm.
and they would resolve the problem as soon as possible. We used to talk
Mm.
to the vice principal also. Like the
Oh,
ma'am
nice.
would call us
Mm.
separately and she would
Uh,
talk to us. And
that's actually interesting and very good, actually.
yes, yes.
So the school is really putting on efforts,
Yes,
I can
yes.
say,
They
from your
really put
words.
on efforts from
Mm.
every side, like
Mm.
education and cultural activities or
Mm.
like any opportunities they would
Very good.
give.
So, seems like you have taken part in all of the
Yes, yes.
extracurricular activities and you enjoyed it to the
Yes, yes.
fullest. And
There are a lot of there. Every month we have something or the other.
mm,
Every week, and like when we were younger, like when
mm,
we were in sixth grade or something,
mm,
then we used to have SLCs and like
mm.
annual SLCs are basically like there's like for a classroom, our separate classroom we'll have dances,
Subject
music.
like conference,
Yeah,
right?
yes,
Ah.
we'll have dances, we'll have music. Everybody gets to show their
Mm.
talents
Talent
out.
and skill set
Yes, the parents
showcasing
would also
to the
come. There
parents,
are fun
yes.
activities and all.
I've seen this in actually IB curriculum and good
Mm.
that TPS Nacharam has developed it. And how do you say after coming out from the school? So, do you miss school and what are all the differences that you have observed from your school life to the other?
Yes, of course, I miss school because like I said,
Of
it's like a
course.
second home to
Yeah.
me because always, every day we used to come, every day we used to
Mm,
meet all the
mm,
friends and all.
mm,
And the major differences are DPS is really hygienic. I would tell that, like, because everything,
mm,
even the classrooms and also, they're really neat. And the teaching skills, better teachers, a lot of teachers, lot of security also.
mm,
But whereas in other, like,
mm,
colleges or something, I don't think that is given
Up to
utna
the
priority.
mark.
Yeah, it was not up to the mark.
Mm.
In school, we have a lot of great things,
Mm.
opportunities also.
Okay, okay. So, what are your future goals and aspirations? Where do you want to see yourself?
I would probably, I'm into engineering only. I would want to be a software, like AI developer or something. That's
AI
what I'm thinking for now, which I am interested in.
So, like my question was, did you take any of your teachers' inputs or support towards your career choices and future goals and aspirations?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, of course. Like all the teachers, like I said, they're really like inspire, motivational. They tell a lot of things, and everybody said that choose whatever you like. Like not because somebody is telling you what to do. Choose whatever you're interested in on whatever you like. So I feel like that is the best thing a teacher could say to the student. Not like they would not give you a advice to just do whatever like a job or something. They would be like explore whatever you like, and that the motivation they give is all about what you like. Delhi public school is also about exploring what you are good at rather than just making yourself good at studies only. It's not like that. It's more about exploring everything, because we have a lot of, like I said, we have a lot of things that we can explore everything.
So, on that point, like, what did you feel like you have did something new or you have explored something new because you were in this school?
Yes, it was, see, like I said, like badminton, dancing, swimming, taekwondo, that's everything. Like,
So, you
because
have learned everything from the
everything, yeah,
school itself, no
yeah,
other
because
classes
no, no,
here.
no, no, because from sixth, no, from not from third grade, we have every period. Like we have library, we have yoga, we have dance. It's like we cannot even skip the classes. So everybody, they'll teach everybody to dance, yoga, taekwondo, like till the next, till eighth grade or something, we'll have them. So we'll learn everything here. And if somebody, like if the teachers observe that this particular person is really good at something, then they would call them for the sports meets and all. We'll have these sports meets and all. They'll call them to the
Good, good, good.
clusters. So
Okay.
everybody is good at the particular sports. They would call them and they'll have to play with other schools and all.
Any challenges that you have faced in your school, because you say that you have so many extracurricular activities in the school? How did you manage your academics, the classes and everything here in the school?
There were not, being honest, there was no challenges because they would give a particular time for everything.
Everything,
Like if there is like 8 periods in a day, one period would be for the extra 10.
So you
We
mean
would
to
not
say
have
there
it
is a
in 10th.
structured plan
Yeah,
and
there is a
everything?
clear plan about everything. They would give a specific time for everything. So I don't think there is anything challenging in that. It's like very easy going. It's yeah, they have everything in the schedule, so it's just easy going.
Any message or inputs you wanted to give for the students who are looking, or for the parents who are looking to join DPS here?
I would definitely tell everybody to come to the school, because this is probably like it's a second, like the best school, and it has all the opportunities, including the education and everything else also which a child wants. So I would tell everybody, every parent and every student to of course come and look after the school. The campus is also really big. There's every, like the blocks and everything, like the swimming pools, that this tennis courts, that volleyball court, badminton court. We have everything. So I feel like a child would study and also enjoy the school life if they come to Delhi Public School, is what I feel, because I have done it for 10 years. I've enjoyed all the school life I wanted. So I feel like every parent should come and every student also should join the school.
Good. Thank you so much for being
Thank you,
with
ma'am.
us, Shrinika. All the best to you for your
Thank you,
future.
ma'am.